Let's see why it's okay to talk to yourself. When you first start out online, it can be frustrating if you don't get a lot of traffic to your site or next to no interaction on social media platforms. Some business owners get really frustrated and, understandably, they get tempted to give up because they feel as if they are talking to themselves and no one cares what they have to say. But the secret to any online growth is patience and publishing content you know will be of real value to your target audience. Take blogging for example. Blogging is both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, programs like WordPress have made it easy for anyone to publish online. People don't need to know how to design attractive websites or to write code. On the other hand, it is important to create content consistently in order to develop a following and market your site on a range of channels, such as all the various social media platforms. Content is no longer the way it used to be. Now we have blogging. The word is derived from web and blogging, which used to be all about words on a web page. Now there is blogging, photo blogging and vlogging, video blogging. Offering a range of content will keep your audience interested and more eager to follow you. For example, 70% of people are visual learners, so they will be keen for content such as video, images, PowerPoint presentations, infographics and so on. Post videos on YouTube, Facebook, Google+, and Tumblr. Post images at Pinterest, Instagram and Snapchat. It will take a while to build your portfolio, but once people start finding you, they should be impressed with all you have to offer. Take the time to create impressive online profiles. When you are first starting online, the pressure is off because no one will be looking to you for new content all the time. Therefore, make the most of the opportunity to create a really robust user profile and pages that will impress people when they finally do encounter your brand and business. But for your own good, create content you know will be shareable. And a good piece of advice is, before you start your site or blog, you should do enough research to know who your target audience is, what problems they have, what competitors they are currently turning to for information and products, and what social networks they spend time at. Create content that speaks directly to the needs of your audience. Create it in a format that they will get excited about. For example, you could create a free special report or e-course about an important topic in your niche. Create a squeeze page so visitors can get the information in exchange for their email address. In the welcome email, thank them for their interest and encourage them to share the squeeze page URL with anyone who might be interested in the course or content. Promote the free content on social media and encourage others to like and share it. It can take time, but consistent effort will help you create a site that your target audience will discover and come to value for your great content, products and services.